This could be the car for you. The 2022 Dodge Charger. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Charger delivers all the power and excitement you want in a muscle car and the safety features and convenience you need for the daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Feel the power of muscle car heritage at the wheel of the Charger. Road test it today.